Hello, and welcome to another update video about Solana. Yeah, holiday in the US today, so I'm not sure how much movement we get. Maybe it at least stops the downtrend. But the market now reacted to that golden ratio level, yeah, the 61.8 retracement at $127.80, which is here on the chart. We talked about that as next support before. Previous support levels were $133.95 and $140.37. While this level actually created a reaction here for this A wave to rally in wave B, and here for this micro third wave within the decline, this level did not create a sufficient reaction really for a substantial turnaround. So we've now arrived at the next one, which is here the golden ratio level at $127.83, and we will see if the market can react to that level and form a reaction and rally substantially. There has been a reaction. We can zoom in a little bit. You need a bit of a magnifying glass there, however. So you see it here. Yeah, there is a reaction. And it's not, in my view, this reaction is too small to be clearly a reversal signal. But you know, that's a potential reversal, all I can say, right? We have a break above the trend line. Now, granted, the trend line was broken already overnight and failed, formed another low, so we might have to adjust the trend line based on the last low. No, sorry, the last swing high, which was a fake out, so we are not really above the trend line. I don't want any crossed trend lines on the chart, really. They become meaningless. So yeah, the price would need to make another attempt. You could argue it's a bit of an unreliable trend line anyway. It's a bit too steep. In addition to that, it's only has 2 touch points now, so it's become kind of not so important. What is more important is that we at least get a break above the last swing high and then follow in, or let's say, and hold a higher low in the next pullback. So the subsequent pullback needs to hold a higher low. That will be the stress test anyway for the bulls, assuming that there might be a reaction here somewhere to these FIB levels that is substantial enough to start a third wave rally. This is what we need to watch for. But as I said, I have low confidence in this move because it will depend to a degree on the crypto sector as a whole. It will depend to a degree on Bitcoin. I can only highlight here to you, or for you, the key levels. So what I can highlight is we have a bullish structure. So the bullish potential is there. It's only potential. The market always needs to confirm that potential. All the potential in the world doesn't help, if the bulls don't turn up and realize this potential. So how could the bulls do that? Well, the bulls would need to give us a first 5-wave rally to the upside from the recent low here when the market hit the golden ratio level at $127.83. And I would like to see at least, I'd say, a break above the previous wave 4 high, which is located here at around $139.50. Okay, this is the swing high from Saturday the 31st. That's the minimum. But better would obviously be a break above this yellow trend line up here and a break above the B wave high around $163. Yeah, so this was the swing high, or these swing highs from like a week ago. And that's what we need to see. My view is obviously that the reaction from the low is too small to really constitute a reversal signal. I'm talking about this low. This first 1-2 setup is decent. Okay, that's why I'm tracking a bullish scenario. However, obviously in light of developments in the whole crypto sector, we'll see if Solana can rally. I mean, again, I can only highlight to you the structure, the levels, and a break below $119.59, which is the 78.6 retracement and the lower boundary line of this 1-2 setup, basically the last, you could say, reliable support for this wave 2. A break below it will emphasize the, let's say, or not emphasize, but it will increase the risk, okay, because it indicates that this 1-2 setup will likely fail and that the wave 4 that possibly finished here on the 5th of August is still unfolding. I showed you, I think, in yesterday's video also the larger time frame. Here you could clearly see that the wave 4 still has plenty of space to the downside, and we might test the $70 to $90 range if we break below $119.59 with a follow through below $109, which is that 5th of August low. I think for now we just need to watch if the market can generate enough upside momentum to start a micro 5-wave move to the upside. And if yes, can we break above this Saturday high? And if yes, can in any pullback the market hold a higher low? And that might be the next micro setup. And we just need a little bit more evidence that a low has formed. So for now, I think it is wise to assume that the downtrend is going to continue because we're still below the trend line. Okay, so we give the trend line the benefit of the doubt until the market can prove a reversal. That's the update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.